So chapter 20, radioactivity and nuclear chemistry. And there's a quote from Marie Curie. I am among those who think that science has great beauty. A scientist in his laboratory is not only a technician, he is also a child placed before natural phenomena which impress him like a fairy tale. I think that's pretty cool. So the author opens with a discussion about appendicitis. And this does relate to radioactivity. So, good old appendicitis, yeah. So radioactivity, I mean, that's a word that we're familiar with, but do we really understand what it means? It's the emission of subatomic particles or high-energy electromagnetic radiation by the nuclei of certain atoms. Nuclear medicine is a discipline of medicine that uses radioactivity to diagnose and treat diseases. And so there's lots of different things that can be done. Radioactive emissions can pass through many types of matter, and so things like X-rays, they can get pictures of your bones without taking off your skin. So that's also a nice thing, right? You can't see radioactivity, but you can capture it on a photographic film. And so there are two aspects to this. There is diagnosing, imaging, and then there's also treating diseases, mostly cancerous tumors.